Hey guys, welcome back. This is DK and you're watching Learn English with DK. This is the first day of practice English. Guys, today I decide that every day I will speak something in English because my English is very weak. So every day, if I every day try to speak different word and different topic about talking in English, so that will be better for me. So if your English is weak like me, then you will subscribe my channel, and every day I will give you some tips and tricks unique. Guys, today is my first day and today I am going to talk about why importance English in this modern era. Guys, you know guys ki if you prepare any exams like NEET, SSC, XYZ, so you must have knowledge about English. Why? Because if you have knowledge about English, then you will crack any interview fully confident. Because if you have no knowledge about English, then you will not crack your examinations. Why? Because English is most important in this modern era. If you have English language, then you will communicate with each other, and suppose that one day you will go other countries. So that time, how can talk with other country people? That time you thought ki thinking ki I was if I could learn English, then this time I'm not facing this problem. So you need to practice every day speaking English because English is a easy language. If you practice day by day, then you will automatically improve your pronunciation and it is also improve your English speaking. So I truly speak ki my English is also weak, and if I regularly practice in English, then that is the better for me. So today I decide ki every day I will speak something in English. Speak XYZ, whatever comes in my mind, just I have to speak, and whatever I think any topic, just I have to talk with XYZ topic on topic talking on XYZ topic in English. Guys, today my topic is ki why English is important. You know guys ki if you no knowledge about English, so your friend laughing on you. Why? Because in this modern era, all students have knowledge about English and all people have knowledge English, because this modern era will be change and day by day change. So I humble request you ki you need to change ourselves, and you need to change your habit, and you need to improve our English speaking, because 3 to 5 years after 3 to 5 years must be important. Every people in life English, because this is the technology era, and this is the wonderful era to learn. Suppose that you have a lot of opportunity to learn English. You are asking ki what opportunity I have. So one by one I explain. You have a mobile, Just you have to open your camera and you speak whatever you comes in your mind. Just you have to speak whatever. Never thought ki think about people on me and what say about me any people. Doesn't matter what say about you and what think people about you. Doesn't matter. Just we have to improve ourselves. If you improve ourselves, then people will be respect you. So guys, this is the modern era. You need to speak English, and I also learn English, and I humble request you, if you have any topic, so just you have to comment me. I will definitely reply you. And this is the first day, and today I am decide every day I will speak XYZ topic, XYZ topic on speaking. So this is the first day, and tomorrow will be tomorrow I will speak different topics. So bye bye, take care guys.